Hi and welcome to Interns to Learn platform. In this platform, you can submit your internship or create your internship. If you are applying for an internship, then you must first visit the sign up page. And if you are applying, if you are a company, then you sign up through the employer process. And if you are a candidate who is applying for the internship, then you select for the candidate. Then you enter your email. For currently now I am entering my email address. I enter my full name. I enter my contact number. And I enter my password. You have to accept our terms and privacy policy. For that, you can read under terms and privacy policy under here. Then after all the form has been completely filled up, then you hit up the sign up button. I currently don't want to select the sign up button. So to access your dashboards, you can visit the dashboard profile. Once to access the dashboard profile, your email account must be verified. Once you submit the sign up process, you may have got the verified password. If not, so that you can request another verification by clicking here. Once that is done, now I am going to currently verify my email address. Then I will come back. Now that I have successfully verified my password, then I can navigate back towards my dashboard. Then I can now submit. I can now create my own profile. For the profile image, I currently choose one of my. Now that I have located my CV, then I upload that. Now enter my full name. Currently male. I am currently staying at my city. I'm currently selecting my date of birth and my contact number. This field is mandatory so that the company who are contacting you can see your contact number and contact you through your profile page. Then you can provide the optional contact number, and you have to submit your qualification. Once you have successfully filled all of the, then now you can save your profile. Now that I have successfully submitted my profile, then if I want to go to apply one of my internship, then I have currently one internship available. Then I can view details. Let's say I want to apply for this internship. then I click the apply now button. Then you can see under my internships tab there is the options you have all the internship you have applied for, and under my CV you can preview all CV. If you want to upload that, you can navigate to that, and if you want to change password or manage one of our own, if you want to delete for the if you want to reject cancel the internship, then we delete the internship from here.